Meet NotebookLM, the ultimate teacher's pet, making all other students look bad.
Welcome to this video on NotebookLM, the ultimate AI teaching assistant. Designed to streamline instruction and boost student engagement, this AI-powered tool is here to help educators work smarter. NotebookLM bridges the gap between preparation and pedagogy. By handling the time-consuming tasks of resource creation, it empowers teachers to dedicate more time to what matters most, teaching and connecting with students. Think of it as a prep engine. Simply upload your source materials, like syllabi or articles, and the AI instantly generates classroom resources, study guides, and assessment tools, including flashcards and quizzes to track progress. Differentiation is key to reaching every learner. NotebookLM acts as a filter, transforming complex source text into age-appropriate reading materials, or even interactive AI-hosted podcasts for auditory learners. Collaboration is made simple. With the Collaboration Hub, you can share entire notebooks seamlessly and build interactive mind maps, allowing students to visualize and connect complex concepts together. We believe in a barrier-free experience. NotebookLM is completely free for anyone with a Google account and is designed with an intuitive interface, meaning no specialized technical expertise is required to get started. From efficiency in resource generation to increasing student effectiveness through personalized learning, the Impact Matrix shows how NotebookLM supports both the educator's workflow and the student's success.